all doing? How you all doing? Yeah, today is a bright day, as you all can see. Well, we hope you all doing good. So today, baby girl and I, we are in Tobago rainforest, and we are going to Shurland'S Nature Park. Yeah, so come along with us as we get to experience feeding hummingbirds.
This is the lady herself, Shurla.
Pleasure to have you guys here. I'm Shurland, the owner and the operator. Right, Tyrell, my grandson, that's my co-operator.
Nice.
Right?
So we are at Shurland'S Nature Park today, and I'm speaking with the one Tyrell.
Nice to meet you, man. Nice to
Yeah,
meet you.
Tyrell, so tell us how this all
How it all
came about.
started?
Yeah, it's all
So
started.
basically, this was very much hard work. So this whole building here, this was just here. Most of this here was just grass. So step by step, she had one hummingbird feeder. So she
When you
put
say one hummingbird feeder, what do you mean?
there's a hummingbird feeder where we hang it up, put sugar, water, and hang them up. So
Right.
the hummingbirds and then come and feed from that.
Okay.
So basically, they had one white-tailed saber wing that was in the rainforest. So when she put up a hummingbird feeder, it was in the back where you park up. So basically, after that, he came, after some months, he went and found a female, brought back the female, and from there,
Wait, the bird went and find a...
a male. He went and found a male. After that, populated, she came back and found like about 2 young ones. After that, she got real excited, went back to town and bought more hummingbird feeders. And from there, they started to grow from there. Yeah.
Okay. What got into you all in terms of to build the structure and have it as a tourism
So
attraction?
from way back since I was a little boy, my grandmother always wanted to create paradise up here.
Okay.
She always wanted to do that. So from there, she would have been selling cakes to the tourists up by the rainforest. She was always into the tourism. She was always into it. So from there, she just wanted to expand things for herself.
Okay.
So she kept working hard, and this is what we have for today.
Right. Well, let me tell you the truth. I can't wait to see, like when you say put the you call them here?
Hummingbird feeder.
Right.
The smaller ones.
And see the hummingbird.
Sit on it.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll do that in a while.
In a while.
Yeah.
And if you try it now, you want to try it now?
You want to try it now?
Yeah.
You could
If
try it
they,
now.
yeah.
Alright. So I wanted to hold the hummingbird feeder in your hand, just like this. And just wait for a little while, and they'll come.
Put up my hand like this.
Just like that.
You want to come and hold a hummingbird feeder?
Come here. Easy like that.
Wow.
Easy like that. And this is the white-tailed saber wing. This is native to the island. So this is one of the species that came and multiplied.
Wow. That was cool. So if we remain here, they'll just come in.
They'll keep coming on the same spot.
Come, baby. That was real cool.
Like that.
Right.
And they'll come.
So when you make that noise, what that?
That's the call that we make
Oh.
for them to come.
So why did chasing one
So
another
the
around
hummingbirds
like
on
that
them, the territorial. So they will be fighting like that right through. Once there is somewhere source of food, that's what they do. They will be fighting one another, fighting off. This is mine.
for? Wow.
Get your own.
This is mine, get your own.
I call them correct there?
Little more practice.
I like that. That's so cool, eh? Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, probably how much to say happens.
Again it.
That was Russian on man.
Was he saying? What funny noise is that?
That sounds it's like we don't know that noise. It's like what's that?
It will come just now. Oh, and get the drone and you doing like it stop. Yeah.
Come on again. So how could you detect the male from female?
So how we tell the difference between the male and the female in the white-tailed saber wing? The male has more green on its belly, and the female has more like a grey-white spot right on the belly. A little patch, smaller patch.
So this is a female.
This one here, this is the
You make it go.
one that came nowadays. That's the white neck Jacobin. So that comes from Venezuela. So it comes from Venezuela to Tobago for nesting season.
Okay.
Wow. How long you all are in business?
So you can say more than close to 20 years.
Wow.
20 or more.
Right.
Yes. Because I see it as since I small, we're doing this.
Yeah.
And which is the down season in the business?
We say the slow season where the hummingbirds go into nesting, more like February into August time, they will start to come back out.
Okay. So August to what time? August to January?
Yeah, you can say that. August to January, they will start to come back out.
Okay.
Yes, this
This
is
is
the
so
white
cool.
neck Jacobin here.
People, first time I could see a hummingbird so close to me.
Yes, beautiful.
Wow.
So what is the name of this one you said?
This hummingbird here, this is the white neck Jacobin. So this is the hummingbird that comes from Venezuela to Tobago for nesting season.
Wow.
Well, having a drink.
People move your hand. Ah. Look at that.
And what's the name of this one?
That's the white-tailed saber wing. That's the one I told you that multiplied, came and multiplied.
see you have some lovely dishes there.
Yeah, so for the food lovers around the island, around the world, we also provide lunch on reservation. You can give us a call like about 3 days before the original date that you want. We provide local food. If you want fish, chicken, we provide it with veggie rice, kalaloo, salads, you name it, we have it here.
Wow, I like when you say that. You name it, we have it here. Very well.
Yeah. So lunches, the cost of lunch will be 200 per person. That's the cost of the lunch. Without lunch, that will be 100 TT. That's just for the entry fee for the Hummingbirds.
Right.
So this is the lovely food here at Shurland'S Nature Park. So yes, nice.
I like how they're doing a thing in Tobago.
Yeah, boy.
So at Shurland'S, she cater for a large group. So we just heading upstairs to show you all the upstairs accommodation. And of course, it's really breezy up here. And it have the spot under here with 2 nice hammocks.
So at the park here, we can accommodate up to 50 persons at the park. We also have here where guests come here. Beautiful view in front.
So this is just extra accommodation, guys. It have this accommodation on that side there. Even though it is, let me say, about 3 large group Kwangsap, she have accommodation for everybody.